Chaos Potatoes. I'm your host, Nerium, but you can call me Nerium. And today on this video, we'll be making a swamp. So, I have no idea what I'm going to do. I've never done a swamp before. So this is going to be like a learning curve or something for me. Because I've been trying to rack my brain, watching more videos how to do swamps. You know, there's just so many different things you can do with swamps. But yeah, I got a polystyrene base, and I'm just gonna cut it to the length I want, and just wing it basically. Just completely wing it because I have no clue what I'm gonna do, and I'll probably just go through some pictures to see what may or may not look good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna wing it. Right, all nice and painted, nice and solid with extra glue, what the heck am I talking about? Extra glue with the black paint, just to, you know, give it more sturdiness. For the water, I would probably put hot glue, just a little bit of hot glue just to fill it, and then use clear glue that I have, clear glue, to like make it all shiny and watery, and probably just do some duckweed on top just to make it look like, you know, swampy water kind of thing. Anyways, got a bit of black, brown and green. That's maybe a bit of white just to lighten the colours for later on, just to highlight some stuff. But basically that's all the colours you need. So let's get started then, I suppose. Then, I did extra glow on top of here just to give it a more shiny looking bit of water, plus a thin coat of clear glue as well, just to give it that like wet effect, which does quite nicely. So I'm going to put more glue on it so I can put this on. Twigs, some bits of leaves, like so, just to give it more pizzazz. So like a tree sticking up like that, a few crumbly leaves, you know, just to give it more swamp vibe. But yeah, that's what it is, and I'll stop talking. And here we have it, my own little swamp. I mean, you, like, like I said, you can probably make a bigger scale, do another pond on this side to make this one bigger, or do little puddles here and there. You know, you could do all sorts with a pond with a swamp. I absolutely love this. You know, broken barrels and crates and stuff, and the little like one of those fishing docks kind of thing. We got fishing in this disgusting coloured water. But anyways, I did 2 layers of clear glue on this. I mean, you can probably use one of those Mod Podge, and then with resin to do the water. But like I said, this is for if you're on a low budget, you can't afford resin because they're expensive, and you just want something easy and quick. I mean, well, sort of quick. You can skip the glue if you wanted to, but it gives it off the like shiny water vibe kind of thing. Had to do 2 layers of that, so it turned out really nice. But like I said, this is for quick. If you're, anyways, but yeah, little twigs here. I had some like dried up leaves when it was autumn and just grinded it to fine, just to give it a little bit more swamp vibe kind of thing. So yeah, if you like it, let me know. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, a bit down this way, yeah, and I'll see you next time. Bye.